Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am back with another skincare related video. Today we're going to be talking all about Jade Rolling. It's like my latest obsession. I've been obsessed with it for like months now actually. I love it so much and I always post myself like doing it on Instagram stories and I get like a million messages. Everyone always wants to know, what is it? Does it really help? What are the benefits? All that good stuff. So I'm here today to talk to you all about that. But first, do you guys like my shirt? Are you kidding? Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Okay, so let's get into the Jade Rolling, shall we? First, I'm gonna get some slip on my face by spraying my Caudalie grape water. This is like my favorite thing of life at the moment. Very hydrating, very, very good. Now that my face is nice and moist, I'm gonna go in with my serum of choice. Today I'm using my Josie Marin 100% pure argan oil because your girl is very dry. So I'm going to apply like 2 to 3 drops. You don't need a lot of this stuff. I prefer using a serum with my Jade Roller. You can use a moisturizer if you don't like applying oils onto your face. It doesn't really matter. As long as you have some kind of like slip to your skin, that's really the goal here. So just apply whatever your favorite serum is. Look how red my face gets just from like touching it. That's how like translucent I am. Okay, now here is the Jade Roller. Jade is a stone or a crystal if you want to call it that. And this is really where Eastern and Western beauty cultures kind of mix, because this is not typically like a Western beauty thing to do, but it's been getting really, really popular here in the United States at least, and this is something that people have been doing in Asia for like thousands of years, so we are a little bit behind on that one. So jade, the actual stone, is known for like balancing your chi, warding off bad energy, just creating a peaceful energy around you. That is what they believe that this stone does. That's why they usually use jade. You can also get these rollers in like rose quartz, clear quartz, tons of different, I've even seen like amethyst, I think. So you don't just have to get a jade roller. There are different crystals and stones that you can use, but this is the one that is the most traditionally used. So this is how I use it. This just came out of the freezer, by the way. I usually either keep it in the freezer or the fridge, so it's really nice and cold. I like to just press it. I used to go like this, up and down, and I learned that that's not really the right thing to do. You always just want to use lifting motions with your pressure. This helps so that your skin doesn't like sag down. So this pretty much is used to massage the skin, the muscles on your face that you usually don't get to just by like washing your face and applying your moisturizer. And what this does is it drains your lymph nodes, which really, really helps your skin detoxify, helps your body detoxify. It boosts circulation and blood flow to the skin, which helps with collagen production. This also really helps your products absorb better because you're really pressing it into the skin. You're boosting that blood flow. You're helping the products really just like get into the skin a lot better. I do notice that when I do jade roll over my oil, when I'm not lazy, my skin when I wake up the next morning is so much more hydrated. I don't know if you can see like this side of my face. I've barely been doing it. I usually do it for a lot longer, but it looks like more sculpted, I think. See? Like my cheekbones looks more sculpted than this side. This happens every single time I use this. I really think this has like an uplifting, like skin lifting benefit to it. I've heard that a lot of celebrities do this before they go on like a red carpet or something like that, so their skin looks a lot more tight and firm and lifted. So if you have like an event to go to or something, this would be pretty beneficial. But for long term, if you do it like every single night, those benefits are gonna last longer than just for one night. This also has, it's double-ended. Usually every single one I've ever seen is double-ended. So it has a smaller one on this side so that you can really get underneath the eye, and I work from the inside out just like in a lifting motion. And when it's nice and cold, it really helps to like depuff your eyes and drain any like fluid. That's why your eyes are like puffy and dark, because all like the blood has accumulated there because of allergies or whatever. So this really just helps with all of that. I haven't done under my eyes in a while actually, Sometimes I'm really lazy with this stuff, you guys, but when I do actually do it, it helps so much. And then I just go on the other side and I do the same thing. I literally feel like I'm getting a massage. Like, I feel like my skin is also draining. That sounds disgusting, but I feel my lymph nodes are like, you know, just really benefiting from this right now. This is like my favorite thing ever. I love stones and crystals and stuff like that. I don't know if you guys know that about me. I have like a million. I have like the biggest crystal collection ever. I want to do a video about it if you guys are interested in that kind of thing. I'm probably going to do the video anyway because I'm interested in that kind of thing. I know my face looks really red and like blotchy, but that's just because this is just increasing the blood flow to the skin. This stuff is so beneficial. I also want to try gua sha. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's with the other type of shape stone where you like really pull the skin. I feel like that's an even deeper workout for the face. I'm going to actually order one this weekend. I've heard it's amazing, and if I love it, I'll do a video on that too. But for right now, I just use the Jade Roller, and this has really helped me like tremendously. I've also heard that it helps prevent breakouts as well. I'm not really prone to too many breakouts, so I'm not sure how true that is. But I've heard that from multiple people, and I read that in multiple articles, so that's probably true. And if any of you guys suffer from acne, I would definitely try it out because maybe it could really be beneficial and helpful to you. So my skin looks a little red, but it feels really good. It feels like I just had like a workout on my face or like a deep tissue massage or something. It's incredible, and even if you press pretty firmly, this thing is just like so gentle and it just feels really good. I don't think you can get the same effect with your fingers and your hands. Like, I just don't see how that's possible. I love that it's like an actual healing stone. That makes it like a better experience for me too. I love those kind of things, whether you believe in it or not. I think it's really cool and interesting. And yeah, I think you should definitely try it out. I'm gonna leave a link to it down below. They're pretty inexpensive. You can get it from multiple places, so I'll leave a few links down below. So yeah, guys, that is everything I have to say in this video. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you go out and try this. If you do, or if you already use this, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you think I should try next. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.